Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some easy, no-bake Oreo cheesecake. So let's begin. I'm going to add in the Oreos and some melted butter. Now you're going to crush it. Now that this is ready, I'll be layering it into my jar. Now that this is smooth, I'm going to be making the middle layer of this cheesecake. We're going to add in some cream cheese, some Oreo filling and some icing sugar. Now that all of the ingredients has been mixed, I'm going to carefully layer it onto this base. Now that I've layered my cream cheese filling, I'm going to take the crushed Oreos and I'm going to layer it onto my cheesecake. Now that I've sprinkled my leftover Oreos, I'm going to decorate it with half an Oreo. And there we are. This is how our cheesecake looks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell for more recipes like this. Bye!